We're spending our money on these units. I feel like we're not getting our money's worth, and that's why I decided to do this channel, because I am here to give you the real tea on these units and let you know the ones that I feel like are going to hold up for a good amount of time, the ones that are going to be just special occasion, the ones that are going to be just straight up trash. Like, you keep on your boat, you and I just spending my mode. See, figure how do you remain afloat? Cities keep burning, the smoke fills our throats.
Wading in the water, I've been drifting out to sea. You see my vibrancy's been alive within me, floating in the day. But highs inside these eyes, I seem to glisten while they wait. Losing sleep as this reality is taking over me. And you must be mistaken if you think you're truly free.
Hey you guys, and welcome back to Half Baked Hair Reviews. I'm Angelique. If you're returning, as always, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you're new to this channel, just make sure you smash that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload old units, new units, everyday slays, wig updates, and everything in between. So today, the unit that I'm going to be reviewing for you is this big, luscious, luxurious unit that's on my head. This one is in the style Sensationnel Latisha. I'm wearing it in the color number 1B. So if you're interested in seeing the construction of this unit and how I got it to look like this, just stay tuned for this video.
Got my hand, holding it up, drinking it down and refilling my cup. Splitting the blizzy, I'm breaking the sticky. The icky is with me, I'm filling it up. Breaking it down, rolling it up, hitting it, lifting and pulling it up. Drinking my hand, holding it up, drinking it down and refilling my cup. My flow put a hitter on pause. I know that my flow is greater than yours. Are you sure? Let's go to war. I'm body bagging and dragging the cups. Look at my hands covered in blood. Killing competitors, leave them in mud. I'm in the man, show me some love. Bitch, I'm the man, I've been told you what's up. Do what I say, don't interrupt. That's just the way I be giving it up. Drinking my hand, pouring it up. Throwing it back like I'm giving a fuck. Picking the locks, opening doors. Kicking the rocks and my socks on the floor. I'm lost the sauce and keep dripping. I floss the boss and keep sipping. Finding my senses and jumping off fences. I said it, I'm in it, no need for repentance. I've been winning, I'm crossing the lines. Sending attention, I fall through the sky. Show out and crawl till I started to climb. You're scared of falling, I know I can fly. Your body's calling and I hit decline. You're feeling foggy, come up on my vibe. Drinking my hand, holding it up. Drinking it down and refilling my cup. Splitting the blizzy, I'm breaking the sticky. The icky is with me, I'm filling it up. Breaking it down, rolling it up. Hitting it, lifting and pulling it up. Drinking my hand, holding it up. Drinking it down and refilling my cup. Drinking my hand, holding it up. Drinking it down and refilling my cup. Splitting the blizzy, I'm breaking the sticky. The icky is with me, I'm filling it up. Breaking it down, rolling it up. Hitting it, lifting and pulling it up. Drinking my hand, holding it up. Drinking it down and refilling my cup.
Hey, where the fuck the money at? Catch me riding around with a 40 and it's on my lap. I've been in the lane with you lames, I'm too famous to speak on my name, now I'm falling back. Hustle in the mountain, from sun up to sundown I'm bowling. Never be tripping, I'm falling, I'm sipping the Henny, I'll never remember the mountain. Shorty throw it back, show the coochie gang. Just like Pump, I'm always on my Gucci gang. Give me a minute to catch up, I'm lazy, reclining my coupe today. Ready, about to set it off. Regret it and all of the bets are out. You said it, I'm only delivering messages. Text say the best and I bet it all. Hey, go long, homie. When the beat goes slow, get your roll on, homie. This is my y'all, get the fuck off the property before I be popping these counties. You know the name and shit change, you be calling me Poppy, I fathered the game. I'll give you a minute, I'm finally finished. My shit is so sick, I need rage.
Drinking my hand, holding it up. Drinking it down and refilling my cup. Splitting the blizzy, I'm breaking the sticky. The icky is with me, I'm filling it up. Breaking it down, rolling it up. Hitting it, lifting and pulling it up. Drinking my hand, holding it up. Drinking it down and refilling.
So the cap construction on this unit, you do get your 2 combs in the front, your 1 comb in the back. You do get your adjustable straps as well as 13x6 parting space. So the density on this unit is full honey. Yes, it's like, I want to say at least 180%. It's super full, and that's with not even with the curls fluffed out. So it's like very full. The texture on it is definitely like a dried out Yaki, if that makes any sense. The texture could definitely use some like mousse and leave-in conditioner to make it seem a little more soft, because it's feeling like a little bit hard here. So I'm 5'3" for reference, and it is coming like to the top of my boobs, so I feel like the length is really cute. The more you brush out the curls though, they'll fall some, so I feel like it'll fall like more towards here. Ladies, can we just get into the cap size on this? This cap size is pretty small. I have a medium sized head and it's fitting my head pretty well, but I cannot wear it with my wig grip band. And as you can kind of see, like it's like a mix of their baby hairs and my own baby hairs, because this bad boy was like sliding back some. So like I am not here for that at all. So definitely beware if you have a larger size head. Don't do it to yourself. Do not, because it just definitely will not fit. You may want to put a little bit of work into the hairline, because hairline is looking a bit dense. Like it looks pretty good now. You can probably just kind of get away with that, but just definitely know it's not gonna be to the expectation of the older what lace units, if that's what you are looking for. This one you definitely will have to put more work in than you would with those. I love the fact that it's layered. I feel like it's really pretty. It's giving me like glamorous black Farrah Fawcett vibes, if you dig what I'm saying. Like, yeah. So let me just give you a 360 and show you what it's looking like. So the pros on this unit, I want to say I do like the texture, even though it is on the drier side. I like it because of the fact that it's Yaki, and I feel like you could make up for the dryness by just using some mousse or some leave-in conditioner. Another pro of it is I really like the cut of it. The layers are really, really pretty. Another pro is the fact that it didn't take that much work for me to get it to look like this. I feel like it's pretty good. It's pretty good. I do love the parting space. I like the lace and the way that it took the powder, and I really love the density, just because I am always here for the big hair. Like, yes. So the cons about it, I definitely would say the cap size is the #1 con, because if your head is more on the medium to big size, you are gonna have an issue with this unit most likely. I mean, if you're medium size head like myself, you probably can make it work. If you do have a bigger size head, I just would not pick it up, because I feel like it'll be just not worth the amount of work that you'll probably have to get in to make it look the way that you want it to look. Another con I would say is the hairline. It's not too bad, but the fact that you would still have to put in some work to make it look more natural is kind of like, definitely just something to note. Yes, you are going to be getting tangling with this, honey, and I would probably consider this more on the lines of a special occasion unit. I don't see myself wearing this every day because it is big, it is kind of hot, and also just I would want it to last longer, and I don't really see these curls lasting super long. So not too many cons about it. I feel like as a whole I do like it, and I think I would pick it up again and just like work with the cap a little bit more. So I am definitely all here for it. So I hope you guys like this unit as much as I did. If you did, just give me a like, give me a subscribe, comment down below any of the units you want me to pick up in any other colors, and until then I hope to see you soon. Bye.